Friday, May 3rd, 2024. Saint Philip and James. Focus. I am the way and the truth and the life. Thomas was one of who wanted everything in place. Very systematic in nature, logical. He wished to be prepared for all eventualities. Jesus gave him definitive reply because he understood that Thomas, like most of us, liked to depend on his own strength and intellect. It was an eye-opener for the disciples. What Jesus wants instead is total surrender to him. My faith must rest in Jesus, the only way to Father, as he explained to Philip. I need to focus not on myself, but on the enormous mercy of Christ. Christ is the way, and when we choose Christ, we are walking in the way. It means we have repented of our wrongdoing, resolved to change, and are forging ahead. We may lag far behind in our journey, but we are still in the way. Being far behind is not something to be ashamed of or feel guilty about. The good news is that it is through Christ that we are saved. What we need then is to wake up and see that we are already enwrapped in the grace and mercy of Christ, the truth and the life. This is what Christ wanted his disciples and us to realize and live by. Fruit. Let me contemplate the strength of Christ and realize what I can achieve for him if I depend on him as my way.